Going on, y'all? It's your boy School 910, and I'm back with another video. No, it's not today, but I cooked me some little dinner tonight. Fried chicken, some rice and roni, San Francisco treat, and some baked beans, and some Kool-Aid. Before I start, don't forget to like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe. We're currently at 649 subscribers. Appreciate y'all. But yeah, like I said, I'm cooking some food today. And I forgot what kind of rice rolling it was. Probably something with chicken or something. So chicken on chicken. So how y'all day been so far? I was off today. Nice little chicken. Let's see what it's gonna taste like. Yesterday night, my son was at football practice. My wife and daughter was at work. And I was off today, so I feel, why not cook something? Instead of doing like a fast food mukbang today, let's do a home cooked mukbang now. But yo, if some of y'all see that, I believe that's the first time I've seen that. But today, at like 11, no, about 10 o'clock or so, 10:30 in the morning, the moon was still out. Like half a moon. It wasn't whole moon, but the moon was out in the sky. Like 10:30 mid-morning. And the sun was like on the other side too. Right. I mean, damn, the sun and the moon out at the same time. That was kind of weird today. I mean, it didn't seem like. So y'all know I recorded it. I'm saying, I don't know if that means something. Like, was that something? Does it always happen? Or the scientists and stuff saying something about it right now as we speak. But before I did this video right here, like I say, I recorded this morning. You know, I did go on YouTube and look about that. And they did say what it was called. Somebody else, it was like a few days ago, somebody else posted the same kind of video like I did. So, but I don't think I've ever seen that before. It was just weird. You know what I mean? Damn, the sun's out and the moon's out. So I know. I said I get up. I'm outside recording. I'm like taking pictures of the moon and the sun. I remember never probably like, what is he doing? Well, you know, some of them don't know. I was doing YouTube. Some of them know, but some of them don't know, probably. But anyway. And they're like, what is he recording? I don't know. I'm telling the truth too. Alright, I done ate 2 wings. Now let me try this leg. This big old chicken leg. Look at how heavy that is. Look how big is my head. Almost big as my fist. Ah. No paint, red, no veins, top of the deal. That's one thing I can't stand when I cook my chicken. Or when I eat chicken. No. You know, some of the chicken you will see like the vein and blood type of deal. But that's why I like to cook my chicken extra long. Not extra long, but you know. I like it for that. Dry up. Bumped up. That's what I'll see here. I could add a little more maybe salt and pepper. Just a little more. On this leg anyway. Now wing season's just right. With legs, they some thick legs. I had to drink some of that good Kool-Aid off camera. I got the Kool-Aid holding up the phone. But it's good. It's loaded too. I actually got some more of this rice. This rice is good too. Everything is good. But I'll get some of them more. That'll be my after work lunch. One more wing. Yeah, I know I'll be watching. Right. So I'll probably do it too sometime. Y'all somebody might think the same thing. But some of the YouTubers that do like the food reviews and stuff like that, mukbangs. Some of them I be eating so nasty. I'm not nasty, but just like the way they mouth be and just nah. And sometimes you be like, man, am I really watching this? Like right now, you see how my lips is all greasy and stuff. Yeah, some people like, look at your lip. But I ain't gonna call them none, but I'm gonna do it. Some of them be trying too much, too hard. I'm like, dang, you ain't gotta try that hard. I don't know. I don't know. Everybody, I mean, I can't. I mean, I'm just critiquing. Okay. A lot of them have more subscribers than me. I'm like, a lot of them have more subscribers than me. And I'm like, man. And then we have less views than me. I'm like, yeah. I mean, I guess it's content they put on there. I'm like, dang. How come they got more subscribers and less views than I do? I don't know. I be thinking on it sometimes. Somehow I'm like, y'all buy them followers, them subscribers. Cause sometimes it don't like it adds up to me. You feel me? I be looking at stuff like that. I'm like, they have all these. That's what I do. I see how many subscribers they have, and then I go see how many views. I'm like, man, they got all these subscribers, but not that many views. Did you buy your subscribers? No. But yeah, man, I'm just out here tripping on with y'all today. On this Tuesday. I gotta go to work tomorrow. So, I'm gonna get up out of here. But don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your boy. Where is that? Scope 910. Don't worry about the pressure washer, but yeah, Scope 910. You already know. I mean, you can worry about the pressure washer if you're around here. Or local. I come spray you up. But nah. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe. We're currently at 649. Hopefully by tomorrow, maybe tonight, I'll be at 650. And then, if I hit that 650, I'm going to need 50 more subscribers to hit that 700 mark. Jeez Louise! I appreciate y'all. I appreciate my smile too. No, I'm playing. But yeah, this your boy, Scope 910. Sign out till next time. Peace.